Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share a daily vlog with you guys today because we have a lot of really fun things going on today. And I recently shared a vlog with you guys talking about a Broadway show that we were going to. We went to see Dear Evan Hansen last week, and this week we're going to see The Lion King on Broadway. So I'm excited to bring you guys along for that. And also, in addition to that, our dog Leo is going to be in a show, and I'm really excited. One of my friends is the head of a drama club, which is in a nearby town to us, and they are doing the production of Annie, and Leo is going to be Sandy. So I am like so excited about this because I have always really been into theater, and not personally, like I have no experience in acting or dancing or singing. I'm not good at any of those things, but I very much enjoy watching it. And my daughter Emily was always really involved in drama club, and she was in lots of shows throughout middle school and high school, and even in elementary school she did some shows. So I really miss having someone in the family in theater. So now Leo's going to be doing it. Perfect. So he's going to be in a show, and today my friend is going to be announcing to his drama club the show that they're doing, and he's going to introduce Leo to the entire cast. So I think it's going to be so much fun. I'm really excited. Leo went to the groomers yesterday, and he's all fluffed up and ready to go. If you've never been to my channel before, I am just talking to you guys like you know everything about my life. I am sorry. My dog is a golden doodle, and his name is Leo, and he actually does look just like Sandy from Annie. I pulled up a picture on Google to try to refresh my memory as to what Sandy looked like, and he really does look very similar. And I think that Leo is very trainable. He's very obedient. So I think, fingers crossed, I think he's going to do fine. And I'm excited for that. So we have that this afternoon, and then we are headed to Broadway. I've been reading this book called The Dating Plan by Sarah Desai. And this is the book that we chose for my Patreon book club, and I'm really enjoying it. So if you're looking for a good romance to read, especially with Valentine's Day coming up, this is really, really a good choice. I was actually thinking about maybe doing a video on some of my favorite romances just to give some people ideas of books to read in February. But so far, this has been really interesting. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yeah? Come on. Oh, Chester can't come. I feel bad. Leo, are you excited? In the school. He's ready. He doesn't know what's going on. What's up, Leo? Leo, you did so good. Are you going to be Sandy in the play? Are you going to be Sandy? This is such an exciting thing for you, Leo. It is. You're going to be a star. I swear so many people are probably going to go to see Leo in the show because all of my kids' friends are obsessed with Leo. And I think they're all going to probably want to go see him as Sandy and Annie. Okay, so we just got back. Look at Leo. He did so good, and all the kids were so excited to see him, and yeah, I think it's gonna go really well. Hopefully it will. We'll see how he does. He started to get a little nervous, and I actually saw him like starting to cry a little bit. He was just overwhelmed with all the kids cheering and yelling, but I'm sure he'll get used to it, and hopefully it'll work out. Look at him. Anyway, we are getting ready to head to the city now to go see The Lion King. So I am super excited for that. It's going to be so much fun to get back into the city again. Hopefully we don't hit too much traffic, and we'll see how it goes. Stopping for some Burger King. Of course we have to get the hats because the hats are fun. Hey Madison, gotta get the hats. Hats are fun. We're back in the city, going to see The Lion King. Super excited. Yep. Madison's only been to one Broadway show ever, and it was Lion King. She's going to see it again.
Yep.
Awesome. We're in Times Square. It's kind of a big deal, Madison, to be in Times Square. You don't even care. Don't even care. People travel far and wide to come here.
Luke's got his place. Hello, girls. Nice looking tonight, guys.
Okay, we just got Krispy Kreme donuts, and now we're going to head into the Disney store quick because we have a little bit of time to kill before the show. I'm in my happy place. Look at the lanterns. So exciting. So we've made it to the Lion King show. We're in the mezzanine. We're way up high. So we'll see how it goes. And hopefully we'll have a good view anyway of everything going on.
He revealed himself. This is so unmagical.
I know. They're harassing this couple.
I know. She's like, no.
They're like, no,
This
no.
girl keeps saying no.
Go away.
No, thank you.
Look.
There's two Elmos too.
Yeah.
There's a whole army of Elmos. Please fight. Oh, Mickey and Minnie are kissing. Did you see that?
That's just disgusting.
What?
They're definitely just like homies.
So it's just a little bit after 11. We just got home from the city. It was super easy getting in and out tonight, and we had a great time. It's such a good show. And that's going to be it for now. I think I'm going to actually chat with you guys a little bit more tomorrow, just about our whole experience in the city, because I'm really tired. But we had a really great night, and I'm so glad that we got to see the show, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I'm actually at my mom's doctor's office, and I am just going to be sitting in my car waiting for her because the waiting room is a little bit crowded for me right now. So I have my coffee and I have my backpack with all of my work that I need to do this morning, and I thought I would just chat with you guys for a minute and tell you about how amazing it was to go into the city last night. That is twice in a week that I have been back to New York City to see a Broadway show. And there is just something about the energy of the city. It's so exciting. I just didn't even want to leave last night. It was a school night, so we couldn't stay very long. And there are midterms going on this week, and the kids are just busy with other things. But I totally could have stayed a lot longer and did more fun stuff. It's just the lights and the people and the excitement and the shows and the great dining options. And, you know, it was fun. We got to go to Krispy Kreme donuts and get donuts, which were delicious. We got to go into the M&M factory, which is always a lot of fun as well. And I got to go into the Disney store just for a couple of minutes and check that out. They had some really beautiful Loungefly bags that I was obsessed with. There was this really beautiful Beauty and the Beast one that I really, really loved. It was like $70 though. And I have plenty of Loungefly bags right now for my next trip. So I really didn't need to buy another one. But it was a fun night, and I'm glad that I got to bring you guys along again. I hope that you enjoy seeing our adventures in the city, and I hope to get back. It is half off tickets this week. It's considered Broadway week in New York, and Broadway week actually is a lot longer than a week. I think it runs for like 3 or 4 weeks, and I wish I could get there one more time. I know that sounds crazy, but we're so close, and it just would be so much fun. I really want to see Aladdin. That's next on my list, so hopefully I can get tickets for that sometime soon, but I don't think we're going to be making it back for another show during Broadway week. Anyway, I wanted to wrap up the vlog because I feel like I didn't get to talk very much because, you know, walking through the city with all of the chaos and the noise and the people, it's just kind of hard to have too much conversation, and this was the perfect opportunity. And that's going to be it. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let me know if you enjoy this type of content, and I hope to start sharing more vlogs with you guys in the near future. I have some fun things coming up that I'm excited to share with you. It's always a lot more fun to share vlogs when like you're actually doing something or going somewhere, or I know the day in the life staying at home can be fun to share as well, but lately this time of year it's just like been very blah, and I just feel like there's not much to share on my days at home, and I've been really busy with work, so that's not that too exciting to watch. All right, anyway, that's gonna be it. Thank you again for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all of the things, and I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.